Hey everyone, today we're diving into a crucial topic, how to deactivate your Shopify subscription, or in other words, how to temporarily shut down your store. Whether it's a payment gateway issue or any other reason, let's walk through the process step by step. This is the exact store I'll be deactivating, complete with products and orders, so let's get started. Before we jump into deactivating the store, there's a crucial step we must take. Uninstall any apps linked to the store to avoid unexpected charges. Head to the Apps section, click on Sales Channel, and uninstall each application individually. Now that we've cleared that hurdle, let's move on to deactivating the store. Navigate to Settings and click on the Plan option where you can see your subscription details. Scroll down and you'll find the Deactivation option. Here, we're presented with three options. The first two are worth a read, but for deactivation, choose the third option. It allows you to put your store on hold, retaining your information for up to 2 years. Click on it. Now select the reason for deactivation. I'm choosing Other as my reason, specifying the difficulty in setting up the payment gateway. Stay tuned for a video explaining payment gateways. Afterward, hit Confirm and then Deactivate. And there you have it, a smooth deactivation process for your Shopify store. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Have questions or want to see more tutorials? Drop a comment below. Until next time, happy selling.